LED motion light from Lumenology, powered by 3 AA batteries. It's rated at 148 lumens. It has a magnetic base and compatible with 1/4-inch screw. There are so many different applications for this motion light. You can be creative as where to put this motion light, making it easier to navigate at night. The magnetic force is very strong. It can easily pull out a toolbox drawer. There is only one switch on top, the on-off position, and the automatic mode. The motion detection is up to 13 feet. It works with rechargeable batteries. Its brightness output doesn't seem to be impacted by using rechargeable versus non-rechargeable batteries. With the Octopus tripod, the mounting options are basically endless. And highly adjustable. When it's on automatic mode, the light will not switch on unless it's really dark outside. And this is what it looks like on my deck. It is more than enough to illuminate the large workbench here. It is possible for many other mounting options, such as this kind of wall mounting ball head or even a tripod. And this is a metal plate, so potentially we can use it on the wall or mount it on any wood surface, drywall, using that included screw and put it in here. It is rated at 1000 activations. This is its specification from the user manual. You may pause and read about it. Metal plate. So that's everything in the box with a little tripod